Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to apply as a driver for Skip the Dishes. Let's begin. Now, applying as a driver for Skip the Dishes is giving you the flexibility of scheduling, because as a driver, you have the freedom to choose your own hours and work around your existing schedule. This flexibility is ideal for students, part-timers, workers, or anyone looking for a supplementary passive income, because Skip the Dishes provides an opportunity to earn money on your own terms, and you can earn a competitive wage based on the deliveries you complete. The more deliveries you make, especially during peak hours or busy times, the more you can potentially earn. Now, applying for a driver is easy because all you have to do is hover down to the very bottom of the website, or if you're using your mobile device, just hover down below where it says Become a Courier. Click on that, and once you do it, you will be directed to a new page wherein all you have to do is just provide your first and last name and provide your email address, your mobile phone number, your city, and make sure that you have read and understood the terms and conditions of the courier agreement as a driver, right? When you click on both options, just click on the orange button here and create your account. Now, you need to remember, when you sign up as a courier on this Skip network, you must be at the age of majority in your province of residence, right? Of course, you need to provide all of these documents like valid driver's license, vehicle insurance, vehicle registration, proof of work eligibility, and background check. And again, you also need to have the following: a smartphone which is capable of a data plan, the faster the better, a direct deposit banking information, and of course an industry standard thermal catering bags. That's for your delivery because obviously you are dealing with food items. And from here you can read and understand all the information here, because this is the terms on how you can earn. Say for example, when you sign up, you'll get to choose where you want to deliver by selecting your preferred delivery zones. And zones are areas within a city with clusters of restaurants or vendors and customers to keep couriers busy. Now, if you are having problems when creating your account here on the Skip the Dishes, you might want to go here instead. Go to the Skip Dishes Help Center, right? And choose the topic that best suits your situation, or click on the Need Help. And from here, tell them you're having problems. Apply as a driver for your account, okay? And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.